Alright guys, we're back at it. We got in our new ESC. We'll put a link in the description, and we're back with the Surpass Hobby SuperStock Tamiya knockoff. And we're going to be running 2S with our CNHL. I don't have one outside, but the CNHL 120C. There's 3 pins. It's a 3S or 2S. Yeah, this is our first time running with this ESC, so we don't know what to expect. So last time we ran this car with this motor, we got our best score. So it was 36.7, I think. So we'll try and do our 36.4. It's already got a GPS. Luck.
Now be careful.
I know,
want that
right?
GPS flying out.
I know, we don't need to hit no curbs again. This is for the CW01creations DT-02 SpeedRun challenge. Let's just get to it. Whoa, what's going on here? I lost all my steering. Alright, let's go. I think this servo's finally had it. One last pass and we'll call it. We'll bring it in, see what we got. Let's see what we got. Steering's a little wonky. Time to replace that servo. That's the one that caught on fire at our WL. But we've been using it.
Ooh, that's faster, right?
36.8. It ain't a whole lot different. Well, we had 36.4, so we gained a partial mile of an hour. But they are ballooning, so that is forward progress. So we'll put us up for 36.8, Pete. Appreciate it. We'll be back when we're back. We got another motor coming, so ESC didn't make a whole lot difference. The Hobby Wing seems to be just about as good, but it could be me. I don't know. Everything else is the same, so it is what it is. I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace.
Alright guys, we're back on the bench again, looking at our DT-02 for the CW01creations. We tested out at the end. You'll see us our first run with this 80 amp ESC that I got. I think it's AliExpress. This is the case it comes in. It doesn't seem to be. I got, like, you'll see it at the end there. It'll be the first run, and what I'll do is after this upgrade, I'll do another run with what we got today. So, but it didn't. I got a little bit faster, but not a lot. It wasn't like I think I went from 36.7 to 36.8, so it was like it's negligible, the difference. But it was a quick shakedown. It wasn't anything crazy. I just want to see whether this was really a lot faster or not, and I'm not so sure that my battery was fully charged. So we'll get this back out again. Right now, that's with the SuperStock, the one that we did the best with. But what we got in the mail, I bid on a lot. I didn't expect to win it, to be real honest. There was 3 vintage motors for $12 and a set of 64 pitched pinions. Now I don't have anything that runs 64, but now I have them for later. But for $12, you know, I got three of these motors. Now they're all the same, which is nice because I can put one of these in the Pink Wonder if they're good. I don't know much about them, but we'll try them out. They said supposedly all working. I'm not sure if that means it's a 28 turn. I don't know. But they definitely mark these. But so we got that one. So there's 2. We got 3 total. Now this one looks like it's had some good and bad days. We've got to resolder that. Looks like they put capacitors in there. So maybe this is even faster. Not sure. I'm a little nervous about running that one. But there's a third one. We'll save that one for last. We'll put one of these 2 in there first just to see what it does. And again, I don't know the turn on these. I don't know anything about them. I tried to look up online information on this company, but there isn't. You know, it's perfect wound competition motors. So somewhere out of Ohio. Yeah, it's even got the address on there. So, and this one says 48 turn or 48. So I don't know if that's tough. Yeah, that's definitely a tougher wind. So maybe that's maybe there's something wrong with that one. Anyways, so I'm gonna go with this one first. It seems to be the nicest of the 3. We'll get some leads soldered on it and get it out there. And we're also at the same time, you'll see in the video I had some steering issues, so it's time to get rid of that other servo one. Put one of these ones I got in with the Buy Bargains. It's plastic, but this, you know, whatever, what's in there is just a cheap $20 special, so this thing's got to do at least that good. Anyway, so we'll get them swapped out real quick. I won't really get into it. I'll just come back with it done, and then yeah, we'll get it out for another run. Maybe I'll just do it out in the road, because Sundays it's not normally too bad once the afternoon rolls on. So, but this is a pretty cool motor. Pretty excited about it. Something different. I do have another motor. This isn't the motor my secret weapon. That still hasn't been shipped yet. So I might get it in time. I might not. I don't know. Hopefully we do. I don't know exactly when Pete's CW01 creation is done. I have to go look at that. Really haven't been paying attention. I've been doing 10 things at once with poor boys and all other stuff going on. So anyways, I'll be right back with it in, and if I'll come back if anything comes up. I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we put one of these perfect wounds in there. Don't judge my solder job. The solder I got, it must be different than the stuff that I used before, because it was just cool and quick. Anyways, we fixed the steering servo, and we're going to give this a quick bench test just to see if we got... Wonder. Put the other wheel on. Seems to move pretty quick though. So, not sure we'll get it out today. It's been raining on and off and on, so this might just go tack it at the end of the last run with our which you probably just watched if all goes well. This is the one that we just ran with the new ESC. That was the first part of this video, and we got like minuscule amount different. Again, it was just a quick to see if it was as fast at least. So yeah, we got one of those in there. I got 3 of them. They feel different. What I mean by that is when you turn it, some of them turn harder than others. There are 3 distinct pressures. So I took the one that was the loosest, because the other 2 have numbers on them. One says 28, one has 45. So I'm assuming that's the turns. I don't know. That's my assumption. But again, I don't know nothing. So I took the one that was easiest to turn, and hopefully it gives us some numbers. We'll see. We do have one more motor on the way. Won't be here till a little later in the week, hopefully, and that'll be probably our last motor try, and we'll, whatever it is, I'll see you guys when I see you. And thanks, CW. I appreciate you, Pete. This is great little competition. And check out my sponsors, CNHL. They got some great little packs for 2S and 3S, but this is a 2S 120C. Really does give a little extra punch, just what you need for these speed runs. So 15% off, or that's my Winter's Evening Barons 15% off. If you go to them too, that's another one. So you get Right Place 15 will get you 15% off at their site. That's Winter Evening Bearings, or winterevening.com. I'll put links in the description like always. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and I appreciate y'all. And I'll see you when I see you. Maybe we'll get it on track before we go for a speed run. That'll be a separate video. I'll see you.